Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. My name is Tristan Rule from Make Your Own Rules, and today I'm going to show you how to install a bipod on a rifle. This process is not as hard as you think, and it only takes a couple minutes, but it will give your rifle a brand new look. Stay tuned. Alright, whenever you're performing any type of work on your rifle, you always want to safety check it and make sure it's clear before you start. Lift up the handle, pull out the bolt. Magazine is empty. Nothing in the chamber. Safety's on. We're all set to start. All right, let's get started. Notice how on the underside of the rifle there's a little peg. That's exactly where we're going to be installing the bipod. So this particular bipod has two little pegs here. That's going to go on both sides right here. And this is where the rifle is going to rest on. You have a little screw to tighten it once everything's all set. You're going to want to have the legs of the bipod sticking out towards the front of the barrel, and I'll explain why in a couple minutes. So what we want to do, spread it apart, try to connect it on either side. Put that in there. Start screwing it on tight. That's all it takes. Now, one more thing. If you have a shoulder strap like I do, you can still connect it to the two little pegs down here. So what we want to do, unscrew it, move it to the side, put it up through the two little holes, turn it around, lock it in place, tighten that screw up. The same goes for the other end of the rifle as well. Should be all set. Now that you have your bipod installed, I'm going to show you why we have the legs pointing forward. We're going to put the legs down, extend them. So when you're on the ground or a table at the range, you're actually holding the rifle up to your shoulder and you're pushing forward. The legs are nice and sturdy. If we installed it backwards, when you're pushing forward, they would just collapse. So that would not be good. Should be all set. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.